My name's Chuck Whitlock. This is my 2020 GT500. It was a gift from my wife for our 30th wedding anniversary. So she totally surprised me. I'd been a huge fan of Mustangs for a long time. We did a hood program down at Charlotte Motor Speedway on the Roval. I've driven it. It's got a little bit, about 2,000 miles on it now, but I got the chance to drive it on a track. The car's just a beast. The motor's amazing. The brakes are even more amazing, I would say. I've driven it 3 times at a drag strip, and I had no clue what I was doing. The first time I did it, it was at a track down in Kentucky. So we did a 10.6 at like 134, which is pretty amazing for a car that is lightly tuned. It's got a JLT cold air intake, lethal track exhaust. Palm Beach Dyno did a pump gas tune on it. Every car that I've owned that's been a performance car has been a 3-pedal car. So I was a little nervous about the transmission, but I can tell you, man, it's friggin' amazing. Never had the radio on in the car. I just roll around with the windows down. And I think my favorite thing is downshift in the car, actually. There's a lot of favorite parts. It's got a little over 2,000 miles. The color's Kona Blue. It's got a black stripe and a black roof. And again, my wife picked it all out, so I can't take any of the credit. I would have probably bought a different color and it wouldn't have turned out as cool as the one that she picked out. Every guy that's like, hey, is your wife here? Can she talk to my wife?